Or do
a
you?
little dab. None.
Sir, just a little bit. There we go.
It smells delicious.
It really does.
It's like a warm cookie vanilla.
Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon's hair up today, and I'm hair down today.
Yes.
Today is Allure. Period.
It's Jen's Allure box for June is here. It got here real early
And
in
it
the month.
does. So it comes
You make your choice for June like a month ago.
a month early.
Okay.
And then like June 1st comes around, and then
Are you opening that upside down?
yes, I am. June 1st comes around, and your Allure is here on the 2nd. Like it is shipped so quickly. And I appreciate that. There's never any issues. It does not come looking like it has been at Guantanamo Bay. It is just, it shows up and it is ready.
Ipsy Charm could take a lesson.
Yeah, a couple of them could. So let us start.
I'll take your little
pamphlet.
$10 member store credit for if you're a member. I'm sure everyone that's a member got this coupon, but yeah, you got a coupon.
Oh, so I'm just going to tell you right now, $10 savings, use code THANKS.
You have to be a member.
Oh.
That's what it says. Member store.
Sorry. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm going to get the choice item. First of all, this is $29. And then I think it's like $1 or $2 for shipping and handling and whatever they can add to that. So
if you've had it a while, then you're grandfathered into the old pricing.
And I am. I got in just
in time.
So I'm going to get the choice right out of the way. This month we got a Buxom Powerline Plumping Lip Liner. I got it in the shade, I don't know.
High Def Honey.
Yes. This was the choice item. You got 3 or 4 other options. I don't typically love a plumping.
And Buxom doesn't play with plumping.
Uh-oh. I don't love a plumping situation, but I love a lip liner. So I feel like I'll know right away if it's staying here or not. What is this?
It's a brush.
Oh.
It's a dual ender.
Okay.
So that's
I thought this was the crayon. I'm like, why is it flat and furry?
Even if you've never used lip liner in your life, you'll now be shaping your lips like a pro. While some pencils will dry, they skip and feel uncomfortable. Buxom's unique formula is creamy with an angled tip that maneuvers easily around the cupid's bow and corners. Comes in velvety matte shades that make it easy to overdraw your lips without it looking fake. And the shades are so pretty you might not want to cover them up.
So look at the...
It's $22. It's shaped like an eyebrow pencil.
Yeah, it is.
It doesn't say anything in here about it plumping other than the name of the product.
So I think it's really pretty. I don't know. I don't think I feel anything happening. And if I do, I think it's psychological.
It's much browner than I would use.
So you wouldn't even use it anyways?
Mm-mm. I don't feel anything either.
Okay. So,
and you put so much on your hand.
And because I wanted to feel it.
So can we try the brush?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, I'm not well. It's fine. Oh.
I can't see what it's doing.
It hurts. It is hurting me. It's hurting. I feel it. So it hurts. This hurts. So this is hurting me. Can you feel that? I feel
Yeah.
tingling.
It's tingly.
I'm not doing that.
It's not terribly tingly.
But it feels like bee stings. Oh, yeah. I don't like it.
It does not feel like bee stings.
Yeah, I don't. Pretty color, and you almost had me, Buxom. I'm really glad I overdid it, though, because no.
So that's going in the declutter bin.
It is. Where do I go next?
Naked Sundays. So let's go there. We're just going to go in order of the book. How's that sound?
Let's do it.
Naked Sundays SPF 50 plus collagen glow 100% mineral sunscreen. High SPF and more radiant skin? Yes, please. This rich tinted cream gives you SPF 50 plus the mineral sunscreen zinc oxide and a more flattering finish than a lot of other formulas. It wears like a radiant tinted hydrator more than a sunscreen. Who knows, you might even look forward to reapplying it this summer. Is that 50 mils?
I'm sure I don't know.
So this is full size. This retails for $34.
Okay. So far, 2 full-size items.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. And I also like the way they described this as tinted and collagen infused.
And glowy and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm not a big sunscreen person, but I know I should be. So.
And part of that is because a lot of them give you a white cast, especially when you're a little bit darker complected. Like, I don't notice white cast so much on my face, but I'm a pasty girl.
It's true.
Whereas with your skin tone, you would. So a tinted sunscreen is really more up your alley.
It is. And I'm kind of excited to try. Give her a try.
Is it sealed?
It is.
Okay.
It is. I don't want to open it quite yet.
We're not going to open it today. And if you use it and you hate it, bring it over and I'll try it.
Okay.
Because I need the sunscreen.
She does. Absolutely. Okay.
Truly. Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil.
Oh.
Okay. Body moisturizer is a summer staple, but sometimes you might want it to feel less utilitarian. That's where this body oil comes in with its warm vanilla scent and glimmering finish. So this is gonna, I feel like this is going to be, oh, it's so pretty.
It is beautiful.
We got that body butter.
That's what it reminds me of. We have a twosome.
It's so good. So this is $30 for 1.7 ounce. So this is full size. And it says it's a body oil. So
does this come? Oh, whoops.
Oh, it's got a little sealer.
Oh, this is like a very mellow vanilla.
This is the same vanilla as that body butter stuff that we got.
Is it?
Yes. That body butter, oh, I love it.
Okay, so this feels kind of like a serum. Did you try some?
No, you had the thing.
I don't want to overdo you.
Dab. None.
Sir, just a little bit. There we go.
It smells delicious.
It really does.
It's like a warm cookie vanilla.
Oh, I love the glow. This is going to look so sexy on summertime legs.
Mm-hmm. Or summertime
Chesticles.
cleavages.
Yeah. I knew you were going to go to chesticles.
Mm-hmm.
So we, in the trendy mood, we got
the body butter.
And it's got a really pretty glittery...
You're Edward Cullen in the sunshine.
And she feels herself big time when she's wearing that. And she looks so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to go pair nicely with that.
So pretty.
And it smells so good.
Smells amazing. If you have not smelled these truly vanilla babies, go to the Ulta, run there, don't walk, and smell it.
Yeah.
Like, I like Truly products. I've never tried a Truly product that I didn't like to some degree.
Mm-hmm.
This scent is everything to me.
Aww. It reminds me of a Bath and Body something.
Like warm sugar cookie or something.
Something like that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But it's really pretty. It's very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
All right, Luna Nectar Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate and Blur Serum.
Yo.
An elegant summer serum. This is lightweight and refreshing. It leaves skin feeling smoother and more hydrated with hyaluronic acid and has antioxidants that might offer additional free radical protection when layered under sunscreen. Like your new one from Naked Sundays.
Look how freaking pretty this is.
So this is full size. This retails for $39. So
Was this full size?
Yep. So you got 4 full-size products.
Holy smokes. Okay. Yeah. We're always here for a serum.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. With a purple.
I don't know if you can tell how purple it is, but it's so pretty. I'm afraid that it's too purple. Like, am I going to put that on my face and... is it gonna do a thing?
Do you think it's gonna make you look
be the
like
purple people eater?
Like the girl, the bubblegum girl on
Violet Beauregard. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
I mean, it could be interesting.
I'm a little afraid of it for that reason. I think it's beautiful, but
it's not very clear. It's very purple, no question.
I'm side-eyeing it a little bit.
Are you?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it goes.
I mean, $39 for that little bottle, so it better do something for you.
Yeah, better fluff my pillow.
So the next 2 are a pair.
Okay.
They are considered separate items in the book, but they're Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Shampoo and Conditioner. A luxe way to treat an itchy scalp or dandruff. Now that's worthy of an Allure Best of Beauty award. The shampoo smells great and soothes dry, itchy scalps while tackling flakes.
Ooh, this smells like berries.
Berries? It smells like a product I've used before.
Yeah. I want to say like an old school Suave.
I feel like a Suave strawberry or something.
Yeah, it smells
it's
very
funny
good.
because I was thinking Suave when you said it. So hopefully it's better than Suave. So these are $36 for the full-size bottles. The full-size bottle is 350 mils. You got 100.
These are big.
So that's a $12 sample of shampoo.
These are not like
this is enough to you're gonna know if you like it or not.
This is at
not
least
a
3-4
pack.
washings.
Yeah. If you like it, there's a code for 20% off.
Because it's for dry scalp, head and hair healing type situation, I am gonna try this.
Okay, because I won't.
Why?
Because of my scalp issues.
Okay, so because of my scalp issues, I want to try it.
Right.
So I feel like this is a win for me.
Yeah. So I can't use anything that is made for fighting flakes.
Okay.
Because my scalp is a little sensitive, it might cause a flare up for me. So if you don't like it, I don't want it.
Okay. If it doesn't work for me after the time I use it, it'll go where everything else goes. No big deal.
Maybe in the empty bin because it's not huge. You might.
No, that's true.
It does smell nice.
It smells very nice.
I hope you like it. I mean, I hope you, for $36 for a full-size bottle, I kind of hope you don't because...
Yeah, because I'm not paying that much.
So your whole box was worth $22.66.96 $135 and so $160 the box was worth approximately. How do you feel?
I mean, I'm not going to use this.
That is preference.
This is, again, preference. Everything else I'm really excited to try. One of our friends will be super excited to get this. So I don't feel like this is a loss. So even without this, I still feel like a win.
Well, you absolutely got your money's worth. And I'm having a little FOMO about that Truly product because I know how much I like the body butter and how much I love that fragrance. This This was good.
It is good. This has been a box that can't disappoint.
It
just won't.
Every month that you've gotten it so far.
I think it's been exciting that I've been able to choose something every month.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's been exciting that the things that they choose for me are things that I genuinely am excited about when I see them.
Had that lip liner not been plumping, you would have loved it.
This would have been a 10 out of 10 for me if it wasn't for the lip liner. Yeah.
This box has yet to do you wrong.
Yeah, this was a great box. I'm very happy.
I'm excited for you, and I'm excited to see what else they're going to do this year. Like, do you get the Allure box? I think you probably should if you don't, because it's well worth the money. We've seen
absolutely
that. Every box Jen has gotten so far has been such a win. Let us know what you think of it. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.